Oh, greeting friends. Today I've got this BMW X1. What happens when you're driving? The lights are flashing on off, and everything is out of order. So I was searching for the short circuit. I opened there. I disconnected the alternator cable. I tested everything. It seems fine. And when you just put on the key, sometimes the car starts, sometimes no start. So I had to open first this side. I could not find anything because I thought I would start from the very back. Then when I come here, I found this. There's water here, a lot of water, as you can see. So I checked, I traced it. The water is coming through this area, this backlight. So if you have this problem, a short circuit on this car, please first check this one. This BMW X1, okay?